Hello everyone. In this video, let us understand the concepts of probiotics and prebiotics. I am Rima Stanley, lecturer at Triple M College of Nursing. Objectives: what are probiotics and prebiotics? Health benefits of probiotics and prebiotics, and how to choose probiotics and prebiotics. First of all, now let us see what is probiotics. Probiotics are microorganisms that are commonly found in foods such as yogurt and kombucha. I think many of you are not aware of what is kombucha. It is a fermented, lightly effervescent sweetened black tea, which is typically a traditional drink consumed in China, and it contains ingredients such as tea, sugar, bacteria, and yeast, commonly called mother or mushroom. So probiotic contains microorganisms that benefits the health of our microbiome. They are a group of microorganisms such as fungi, bacteria and virus that live in a particular part of the body such as skin or gastrointestinal tract. And research has found that this microorganism has a positive impact on our overall health. Such benefits include to gut health, immune health, vaginal health, etc. You would have probably heard of the importance of gut health in the recent decades and the fact that gut is considered as the second brain in our body. Also, you would have heard and seen food and supplements in the store that contains probiotics and prebiotics. However, it is important to keep in mind that not all food and dietary supplement products that are labeled and sold have health benefits. So always consult your doctor or dietitian before taking a supplements, especially when you have any other underlying ailments or disease. Now, what is prebiotics? Prebiotics are components found in some food that acts as nutrients for probiotics. So they are found in many common foods such as garlic, onion, Jerusalem artichokes and bananas. So prebiotics can also be taken from food and supplements, but the difference here is that prebiotics are not microorganisms. Rather, they are components in certain food that acts as nutrients for the beneficial bacteria and microbes that is present in our body, especially in the colon. So in short, basically prebiotics provides nutrients to help them strive. Now apart from probiotics and prebiotics, there is other types of biotics, that is postbiotics and symbiotics, that you must be knowing it, or and also it's something that you should know it. So what is postbiotics? So these are microorganisms that starts off alive but go through some type of inactivation step before offering their benefits in our body. So example like vaccines, right? They are actually bacteria which can cause an illness, but after they undergo inactivations, they acts as an antibodies. Well, but postbiotics are products and supplements which is consumed orally along with our dietary food. Now, what is symbiotics? These are a combination of live microorganisms, that is probiotics, and prebiotics, that is material which is used by microorganisms to grow healthy and thrive. Both these products are also available in the market. However, you need to choose wisely, getting the advice of the physicians. It is good to understand what you are putting into your body before you consume. Now, let us see the health benefits of probiotics. Now, the idea of consuming live bacteria to promote health dates back at least as far as the early 1900s to understand the link between good microbes and disease prevention. It was in 2001 that WHO and the United Nations of Food and Agriculture Organization published the accepted probiotics. So here are the health benefits of beneficial bacteria that research has revealed. First one is it improves digestion. Now, how does probiotics helps? Probiotics ferments of food to simpler byproducts and reduce the job of our digestive system. It also reduces the amount of food needed by our body due to correct digestion and metabolism of any amount of food. Probiotics also is found to reduce atopic dermatitis. So through their anti-inflammatory effects and suppressing the Th2 immune cell response, and also probiotics is found to increase the water absorption in the body, helping to flush the body and skin cell of toxins, which gives the skin to look clear. Probiotics is also found to strengthen the skin natural moisture barrier and thereby keeps the body hydrated and the skin. Probiotics is also found to improve symptoms and the quality of life in people with hay fever. Gut dysbiosis, that is, when there is an imbalance in good and bad bacteria in the digestive tract, is an implication in hay fever and allergies. Now, how does probiotics help? Probiotics improves the balance of gut microbiome and helps to resolve the symptoms of hay fever and regulates T cell in the body and thereby produce a stronger immune response to common allergies. Probiotics is also found to reduce lactose intolerance. Not every probiotics are beneficial. Certain types of probiotics are found beneficial. How does it do? During the digestion in the gastrointestinal tract, probiotics are lysed by bile in the small intestine, releasing enzyme that can degrade lactose and thereby reduce lactose intolerance. Studies have also shown that probiotics also provide benefits to areas of the body outside the digestive tract, such as improve oral, liver, vaginal, and urinary tract. It also has benefit to the skin, which we have already seen. Now let us see the health benefits of prebiotics. As we have already discussed, prebiotics are nothing but component nutrients that supports the probiotics. So it basically supports the same benefits. However, just let us go through. Prebiotics helps in stimulating the growth and the activity of probiotics. It improves the body's ability to absorb iron. It also improves symptoms and quality of life of certain conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, osteoporosis, diabetes, and anxiety. Prebiotics is also found to reduce cortisol level. It improves the sleep and has a significant decrease in triglyceride levels. Now, having said this, it is important to keep in mind not all probiotics are created the same way and they do not work the same way in all individual. There are different types of bacteria and not every probiotics works for everybody. Therefore, it is important for all of us to know how to choose probiotics. Now, if you choose for a supplement, always consult your doctor or dietitians before doing so because not every probiotics works the same way for everyone. Now, if your doctor gives you a prescription for supplements, it is important for you to have a check while buying the products. Read especially the labels for genus, the species, and the strain, and the product should have counts or dose and an expiry date. If the product does not give any of these details, it is important for you to note that they are not safe to consume. Now, the best probiotics are fermented dairy categories, which includes yogurt or kefir. But remember, fermented food that have gone through processing beyond fermentation, such as pasteurization, baking, smoking, no longer contains the beneficial microbes. For my personal experience, curd and buttermilk play a very important role of a probiotics. I consume curd 50 gram or 100 ml of buttermilk every day, especially during my weight loss management. And I found it keeps my gut healthy all throughout the days and months during my weight loss journey, and also it keeps my body hydrated. So, it is important for you to choose the right method of cooking certain recipes using curd or any probiotics related products in order to preserve these microbes. Keynotes. Pre- Probiotics are microorganisms that can benefit gut health, immune system function, atopic dermatitis, hay fever, and much more. And prebiotics, which are found in certain foods and veggies, supports probiotics by providing them with nutrients. I hope this video will help you in choosing the right probiotics and prebiotics and thereby helps your gut health. Thank you for watching this video.